What's going on, guys? Caden from Speed Industry here, and today is a special day because we just got a special delivery from HKS. And please don't mind the swamp cooler running in the background as it's 110 degrees in Las Vegas right now, but let's not focus on that. Let's focus on what HKS has delivered to us at the shop. So as you might know, the GR Corolla has an infamous problem with the rear transfer case overheating. So HKS has sent us a rear transfer case cooler, and this will help with rear differential temperatures as you're driving it hard or going for spirited drives or taking it on the track. So this kit will help with overheating temperatures of the rear differential. So let's open it up and show you guys the overall kit itself. And I do want to make a quick disclaimer. Today we're not actually doing the install. We're just unboxing it and showing you guys what the kit consists of and give you a little tour of what's in the box. All right, so immediately we have the installation manual, both in Japanese and English. Pretty cool. We got a bunch of hose here. And what this is actually wiring loom to help the wiring look a little bit more professional and finished up instead of having the exposed wires out in your vehicle. So very high quality product from HKS. And this is what looks like the condenser. As you can see, says HKS on it, transfer oil cooler. Got one box, another box. So that's literally everything in this package here. And this is the oil pump controller. So from my understanding, we will have to do some wiring to the car to make this, but this is a nice kit. Nice wiring here. And this is the box itself. This kind of reminds me of the HKS turbo timers. Yeah, this is pretty sick. Check that out. Nice quality wiring here. And from what I've read online, this is not a 1-2 simple install kit, as HKS wants to make sure that you are getting the right product for your car. This will be a little bit of an intricate install. So in this box here, we got the controller itself, a wiring loom, and some grounding stuff. It's like what you would use to crimp up to a wire. So I'll be sure not to lose any of this stuff here. All right, last box to open here. I'm assuming that this is going to be an oil filter. This is the pump itself, and we got all the brackets, mounts, and fittings as well. So that's what was in this box right here. Open up the kit here. Really nice quality. As you can see, you got the HKS logo on the oil assembly pump right here. All right, so we got the whole kit laid out on the table here, and to be honest, I'm really excited to get this thing on the GR Corolla. And like I said, we're not gonna install it for this video. I just wanna showcase it to you guys, give you guys an update, and right now you can pre-order this kit on our website, as this kit is brand new and was just sent out to us today. So with that, guys, if you are interested in this kit, link in the description, and we'll be posting an install video hopefully soon, so stay tuned for that. And with that, guys, we'll see you in the next video.